Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your TikTok region. Unfortunately, with the new update that TikTok put out, you're actually not able to do it how you used to do it, which is just by going over to the three dots on TikTok and there being an option to change region here. Unfortunately, when they updated TikTok, they took that away, so you're not able to do that anymore. The only option you could do now is just use a VPN. So if you just head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and just go over to your App Store and just search for VPN, there is plenty of VPNs that are available. Now you could use like a very popular one called NordVPN or just any free VPN. A lot of them have free trials as well. So if you just use one of these VPNs and log into it, you'll be able to change your location from like the US to the UK, somewhere in Europe, vice versa, or Asia. So yeah, you just have to use a VPN now because like I said, they took the update away for changing regions. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.